Hi everyone, my name is Jenny and welcome to Adventures with Jenny. Today we are in Traverse City, Michigan. We just arrived at the Anchor Inn. This is where we're going to be staying for 2 nights while we are in Traverse City. We are staying in a 2-bedroom cottage and it is super cute, so let me go and show you around. When we arrived to the Anchor Inn, we checked in at the office. This is where you will get the key to your cottage. They also had some really cute souvenirs you could buy, this cute tote bag, and it was just so cute inside. So you want to make sure to stop by the office to get your key to the cottage when you are checking in. They also had these cute hats and these adorable sweatshirts. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Jenny, and on my channel I love sharing my different adventures, whether it is traveling locally in Michigan or up in the Northern Michigan area or traveling to Disney World or across the US. I am so glad that you found my channel and I cannot wait to share my adventures with you, so come along on this adventure. We stayed in cottage number 3. This is their 2-bedroom cottage. So we are staying in a 2-bedroom cottage here at the Anchor Inn, which is the perfect size for us because me and Franklin will share a room and then my parents will share a room as well. Little window. And then coming off of that bedroom over here is a little dining room area, which is nice to have a table for all of us to sit at. And then over here, that is the main door to the cabin. Then there's a little living room area with a sofa, a chair, little coffee table, and then map the lake, and then there is also a fireplace. I don't think we will be using that because it is really hot outside right now. And here is another look at the kitchen. And the room does come with a coffee pot, and then it also does have tea and coffee. I did bring coffee for us just in case, and they do have coffee filters because that was a question we had. Coffee cups, plates, cutting board, wine glasses. There's a little sink area, a stove in case we want to do some cooking. And let's see in the drawers. Some spatula, oven mitts, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about bringing that. Some pans. And then over here, we have our wine opener, which is super important here in Traverse City. Lots of wineries, silverware, fully stocked. There's the coffee filters, toaster. So really this has everything that you need, kind of like if you're staying at an Airbnb. And then the cutest fridge. I just love the retro vibe and how it fits in with the inn. Let's open it up. Ice, super cute. All right, so let's head back over here and then I will show you the other bedroom, which is right here. Another little chair. Love all of the decor and touches. And so this is pretty identical to the other bedroom. And then over here, we have a mirror. And then, oh, there is a microwave. And then here is the bathroom. Oh, this is super cute. Wow. It is kind of small, but that is okay. Fresh towels. And then over here is the shower. And there is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We weren't sure because it didn't say online. So just perfect for a little cabin. Oh, I love that little shelf. Very nice. And coming back out here, let's see. Right here, there is a closet, extra linens it looks like, a rack to put your suitcase. Very nice. That looks original to the building for sure. My Aunt Karen and family friend Karen, they also stayed at the Anchor Inn during our trip, and they had a 1-bedroom cottage, and so this is a little quick tour of their room as well. The room was super cute. It was small, but it wasn't too small. It had a bathroom, shower, the queen size bed. If there were just two of you in your party, I think that this would be the perfect room to stay at the Anchor Inn. Definitely has enough space for two people, and there was also a little fridge and then a desk area as well. And in front of each cottage, there is a grill so you can barbecue, and the Anchor Inn has all of the supplies that you could need to start the grill and have a little cookout, which is what we did on our first evening at the Anchor Inn. We celebrated my toddler's 3rd birthday and we had a cookout. We're just enjoying breakfast at the Anchor Inn. You can add a few extra special packages to your stay, and so I did the breakfast one option from Rise, which everything is vegan. From Rise, these look really good. This is a hearty breakfast cookie. It's gluten-free, vegan, soy-free. Oh, this looks really good. Then we got a container of oat milk.
Container of milk?
Yeah.
Why? I want milk.
And then some classic house-made granola.
Huh?
They have a playground area, which is really nice. So Franklin is going to the playground, and then there's also a little bonfire pit. You can roast, marshmallows, make s'mores. I think we're gonna do that tonight. Then there's also a volleyball court down there. Gonna go down the slide?
Yeah.
Woo! Downside to the Anchor Inn is that you have to cross this busy highway to get to the beach, but once you cross, it is worth it because you basically have a little private beach to yourself, and you don't have to worry about going to the public beach, finding a place to sit. But it is busy and the cars do drive pretty fast, so just be very careful if you stay here and you're crossing the road to the beach. So this is the entrance to the Anchor Inn. So this is the road that you would drive into. The road finally cleared and I was able to cross. It is such a busy road, but here are the steps down to the private beach area. At the private beach, there are some kayaks that you can use, and they also have a couple of chairs, and this is a great amenity that the Anchor Inn has. There's also a fire pit down at the beach that you are more than welcome to use. This is the view of the beach from the water. As you can see, there is plenty of space at the beach. It's definitely a great size beach. Kayaks, and then you can see the stairs going up back to the road. So plenty of space for you and your family. So that is the private beach here at the Anchor Inn. You probably can hear the cars going by, but now we are gonna head back and pack up the car, and we're gonna head out. I would definitely come back here and stay here at the Anchor Inn again next time I come to Traverse City. We loaded up the car and we are leaving the Anchor Inn here in Traverse City. We had an incredible stay, and I think we all agree that we would definitely come back and stay here again for future trips. It was a great location. It was nice and relaxing, so much better than staying in a hotel. We loved having access to the private beach. It was so much fun. Definitely will be staying longer next time. Now we are heading to Ballard, Michigan for 2 nights. It's about an hour or so drive from here, and that'll be in the next vlog, so be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. As always, thank you for coming along on an adventure with us. Until next time, bye!